7 ways to build a powerful brand for your business. Your potential customer or client is if they need your product or service. When people stumble upon your business's website or your Facebook page, how will they perceive your brand? Whether you like it or not, people do their research online and have an impression of you way before they even meet you in person. Every business has a brand. Whether you like it or not, you are the CEO of your brand. Here are 5 ways you can build a consistent, successful brand for your business. 1. You must develop a strong identity and voice for your business. You create a code. All of the most iconic, successful brands have a code. Best-selling author, advertising exec, and founder of Thinktopia, Patrick Hanlon, created 7 elements to help brands discover their code. Global brands like Kraft, Levi's, and Johnson & Johnson have used this framework to develop a community of zealots. 2. After you nail down your code, you need to work on your messaging. It's the fact that they have a strong understanding of who their customers are, and they write content that specifically connects with them. The story brand framework allows you to position your business as a guide, rather than the hero, a novel idea that works because we customers are the heroes of our own stories. Using a brand script, you can create strategic content that tells your story, resonates with customers, and moves your bottom line. Another thing to consider is the way your customers approach buying decisions. 3. Stop putting so much time and energy into redoing your website. They're the first place your customers will find your brand. If you throw all your resources into a fancy schmancy website but don't have a solid marketing foundation in place, it's a waste of money. Brands that achieve the most success use what's known as the business GrowthStack. It's a 4-piece holistic marketing system that attracts, nurtures, and converts leads with minimal effort on your part. You won't get any lift from your marketing if you just have a pretty-looking website. But with the business GrowthStack, you'll get better results even if your website looks like a turd. 4. Well, those involve creating lead-generating content that customers will download in exchange for sharing their email address. Once you have their email address, you can automatically enter them into lead-nurturing email series, a major component of marketing automation. But your customers aren't going to share their email address for a boring 10-page ebook. Look for recurring problems that your customers have. Now, create content to alleviate their worries and solve their problems. If you provide your customers with something that makes their life better, they're more likely to trust you for bigger things. 5. If you have any experience with marketing whatsoever, you've probably heard of SEO. Search engine optimization has been one of the biggest buzzwords in our industry since Google rolled out their latest animal-named algorithm in the 2000s. By plugging your website content with long-tail keywords, you can improve your search engine ranking and get more website visitors. Or so they'd like you to think. Search engines aren't stupid. It's ranking sites with the longest page views, so customers are more likely to immediately click that back button when they go to your site, which actually hurts your ranking. So how can you leverage your website to get more customers? Stop thinking about keywords and start thinking about your customers. SEO involves creating a website tailored to humans, not search engines. Human experience optimization is a better way to win over customers and keep them on your site longer. In the end, this has a bigger impact on your Google ranking than SEO ever could. Marketing is hard. It's confusing and complicated and plain frustrating. How the heck are you supposed to manage your marketing on top of everything else? You read my new book, The Golden Toilet. In this book, I'll teach you everything you need to know about marketing in the digital world. I'll pull back the curtain on marketing tactics that don't move the needle and teach you how to use the business GrowthStack to get a better ROI online. I'll pull back the curtain on marketing tactics that don't move the needle and teach you how to use the business GrowthStack to get a better ROI online.